this demo we are looking at a pedal that can help you get the most out of some of your existing kit, but also unlock some previously unavailable creativity. We're going to be looking at this Flip Vol from Sonicake. Pretty cool, right? It's a 2-in-1 pedal. As you can see, it's got an input and an output. If you connect it up that way, then you get basically a volume pedal. If you connect it just using the output, then it acts as an expression pedal. It doesn't even need batteries or anything like that, but you do just need a TRS cable to use it as an expression pedal. Loads of fun. Let's check it out. So first up, just the volume pedal, right? And we're going to use the reverb with it. So a cool thing to do is to use the volume pedal to hide the attack of the notes that you play in the chord. So you strike the chord with it in heel position like this, and then move your foot forward, right, to toe position. And that gives you this effect. And if you're playing stuff higher up the fretboard, then you get a kind of synthy pad type thing going on. Now, let's have a look at the other function of this. If we use this sucker, we've got a TRS lead here. Note that it's got 2 rings on the tip there. And we're going to plug that into the output of the Flip Vol. Like so. And that goes into the back of any one of our pedals. So we're going to stick with reverb for a moment. And this pedal's cool because I can assign any of these parameters, any of these knobs, to the foot switch, and multiples of them too, right? Not just one, but we're going to stick with one. Let's look at the mix knob first, okay? So if I turn the mix knob all the way down, press that button for heel and that position for toe. Now what will happen is in heel position, it's effectively the mix knob at 0, and then in toe position, it's the mix knob up 4, right? So let's check that out. So the reverb's on. And then toe position. So you can do some cool stuff with that. Now a couple of the knobs can also add modulation, so let's do that. So this is no longer controlling the mix knob, it's going to control the 2 modulation parameters, okay? So see what I mean? It really unlocks the potential of the pedal. Next up, delay. So we've got the TRS cable plugged into the Echo system now. And if you want to get some Radiohead Ed O'Brien stuff going on, then we can have a play with the delay time. So let's set the expression pedal to control that. So that should sound like this. So in lowest position there, you've got almost a slapback, right? That's great, isn't it? So you go from a really slow setting with it in toe position. move your foot about and get crazy. Let's try feedback next. So we've got feedback 0. And as you start pushing your foot forward, and then you can back it off again when it gets so crazy and into that self-oscillating stuff, right? So that is a lot of fun. Let's move on to phaser next. This phaser is very cool. This is the JFX Mcilwrick, based on the Muga Fuga. And this will actually allow me to assign either the sweep resonance rate or amount by plugging it into a different slot in the back, right? So here we're looking at sweep. That's cool, isn't it? So rather than having it doing its own thing, you can control the sweep, right? I've changed the settings a little bit, but we are now affecting the rate, okay? So in heel, if you push it forward, it gets super quick, right? And it almost into ring modulation. So you can do that kind of John Frusciante, you know. You know, and then it's called an expression pedal for good reason, right? It really does unlock your creativity with what you can do with a pedal that you already own, right? One more to try. Let's do some Univibe. I'm going to add a little bit of gain after it as well. So in heel position, it's not doing much, just an effect doing its thing. But the expression pedals allow you to control the speed of the effect, right? So loads of uses for it. I've given you a very brief overview there, but I hope you enjoyed the pedal, and I'm going to play you out with some more Univibe noodlings. See you soon.